Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Lighting the pilot light on your Frigidaire gas oven is a simple task that you can do yourself. First, you must ensure your kitchen is well ventilated. If you smell gas, wait for it to clear before you begin. Open the oven door and remove the wire racks. Most Frigidaire models have a bottom panel that lifts out. Look for a small metal tube near the back of the burner. This is the pilot assembly. Find the oven control knob on the front of the stove. Push the knob in and turn it to the pilot setting. You must keep holding the knob down to allow gas to flow to the pilot. Use a long-reach multipurpose lighter to apply a flame to the pilot opening. Once the small blue flame appears, continue holding the knob for about 30 to 60 seconds. This heats the thermocouple so the gas stays on. Slowly release the knob and check if the flame remains lit. If it goes out, wait 5 minutes and try again. If it stays lit, you can put the bottom panel and racks back inside. Turn the knob to your desired temperature to start the oven. Your burner should ignite immediately from the pilot flame. Always be careful when working with gas appliances in your home. This process is common for older models that do not have electric ignition systems. Keeping your pilot light lit ensures your oven is ready for baking whenever you need it. Regular maintenance helps your stove run safely and efficiently for many years to come. Following these easy steps will save you time today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.